friends, I'm Miss Evie from the Stow-Munroe Falls Public Library. Today I'm going to practice cutting with scissors using Play-Doh. If you pick up a Kindergarten Readiness Home Activity Series October packet from the library, there will be Play-Doh in your packet for you to use. Before we get started, let's make sure we have everything we need. Make sure you have your scissors and a smiley face drawn the bottom of your thumb, whichever hand you're going to cut with. Some people use their left, some people use their right. I'm going to use my right hand. Remember when we cut that our thumb goes in the small hole of the scissors and our fingers are going to go in the big hole. Now it's time to take out our Play-Doh. Let's see. Ooh, this is a really neat color. Take a few minutes and play with your Play-Doh. It's so squishy. It smells really good. I always liked the smell of Play-Doh. You can squish it. You can roll it into a ball between your hands. But for cutting practice, the best shape for your Play-Doh to have is a snake. So I'm going to take my Play-Doh, lay it on the table, flatten my hand, and roll my hand back and forth across that Play-Doh. The more I roll my hand, the more like a snake my Play-Doh looks. I can even use both hands to make a really long one. Wow, look at that. That is going to be fun to cut. And then you can take your scissors and start cutting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I made 12 pieces of Play-Doh this time. When you're done, you can smush them all back together again and roll them out into another snake to cut. This time I'm going to make my snake really fat. Shorter, but fatter. 1, I can make littler pieces now. 2, 3, 4, 5. Cutting Play-Doh feels different than cutting paper. It's neat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pieces. And then I smush them all back together again and start rolling some more. You can roll your Play-Doh as thin or as thick as you want, as many times as you want, to practice your cutting. I hope you have as much fun with your Play-Doh as I had with mine. See you next time.